Hello, all. Today we are going to dive into a project that is exploring Python loan interest calculator with the Sprite. So, hello, all. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be looking into the Python programming with a fascinating code snippet, and that code snippet is related with a simple loan interest calculator. Before we jump into the details, let's talk about my experience at the International Bootcamp for Empowering Educators to Learn AI, Python, and Robotics. I want to share a little bit about my journey. I'm fortunate to have a part for being a part of this international educators bootcamp. It's an enlightening experience for me to learn from the experts and collaborate with other educators from around the globe. This practical approach of this bootcamp has allowed me to explore, to grasp the concepts, and apply them in the real world scenarios. Let's get started. Okay. So let's take a closer look at the Python code we are going to explore today. Before that, I will let you know how to open the PictoBlox. And this code snippet demonstrates about how to use Python to calculate the loan interest. Let us see. So here is the PictoBlox. Here we are going to use the Python coding. Click on this. So it will take me to the Python coding over here. Here already a sprite Toby. We have taken a sprite Toby. Now we have to take a code for this. So let's get started about this. Okay. Here Python indentation is very much important. Okay, so here we are going to use a function. The function is always declared with the def. Interest calculator is the name of the function, in which function I am passing the three parameters, that is principal, rate, and time. In Python it is very easy. The Python language is very easy to understand because here there is no need to define the data types. As you go on assigning the values to the variables, automatically the data types is also declared. So here my function is interest calculator, in which function I'm going to pass principal, rate, and time. And the formula to calculate the amount is equal to principal plus principal into rate into time divide by 100, and it is going to return me the amount. Okay, this indentation is very much important. What we can say, it tells us the starting of the function. So when it is given indentation here before the amount and written, these two are the part of this interest loan calculator function. So now my actual program is here, sprite input. Here I'm going to display a input box. In that I'm going to display a message that enter the principal amount. The user is going to enter the principal amount, and that is detected by the sprite answer function. So this answer function will take into consideration the amount typed by the user, and that is stored in the variable that is principal. Same way, the sprite input enter interest rate. This message will allow us to type the interest, and then that interest is stored in the answer with the help of the answer function, and it is stored in the rate variable. The next is for the time. So the message will be displayed like enter the time in using the input function, and the answer function will give us the time entered by the user. So here all these values we have along with us. Now my function interest calculator will be called in this say function also, and then here I am giving the delay for two sorry I am giving the delay for 2 seconds, so that it will be displayed on the screen for 2 seconds along with the message amount is. So here principal, rate, and time will be taken by the user, and here in this formula we can see it. Here in this formula the amount is calculated. So let's see the output. So here is the run function, run command to run the program which is written in the Python. So here it is asking enter the, you can see to the right side of the screen, we see Toby is asking us the question like enter the principal amount. Let us see, I am entering the principal amount as 2 lakhs. Okay. Suppose my principal amount is 2 lakhs. Click on the tick mark. Enter the interest rate. Interest rate is about 8. Tick. Then my period is for 10 years. Suppose tick. And see your amount it is displaying. The Toby is displaying the amount over here. Thank you.